In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit a lot faster here on keyboard and mouse here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your edits are feeling slow, here's some things that you can do. Go ahead and hit your profile icon and go into your settings. And the first thing you're going to want to check is your display mode. Make sure that you're using full screen, not windowed full screen or window. You need to make sure that you're using full screen exclusively, and this is going to reduce your input delay compared to other windowed modes. Next, go ahead and find your FPS limit and make sure that the cap is set to your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if you have like a 144 Hz or 240 Hz monitor, go ahead and set your FPS to that value. Avoid using unlimited because it can cause instability. For the rendering mode, go ahead and obviously put this on performance mode. This is going to give you the lowest input delay and better overall responsiveness, and lower your graphics settings as well. You don't really need to keep them on too high. The main thing that you're going to want to adjust though is going to be your textures and your meshes. Put those on low and that'll improve your performance and of course reduce lag. On top of that, for NVIDIA Reflex, go ahead and set that to on. You can test on plus boost, but if it does lower your FPS, go ahead and just stick with on. In your audio settings, and I know it's crazy, you're about to adjust some audio settings, lower the sound quality or disable extra effects if possible, and this can also slightly improve performance. From here, you could just go to the game settings and scroll to the editing options itself. So scroll down a little bit until you see editing. Turn off simple edit and disable pre-edits as well. You really don't want those. Those are awful. Also enable confirm edit on release because these settings will make editing feel a lot faster and a lot more responsive. And then finally, of course, scroll up to the very top and you need to make sure that you are playing on the correct server region. Higher ping will always slow down your edits, so staying on the closest server is important. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.